Fill in the missing Spanish word in the phrase. There will be 8 missing words in total. Write how many words you answered correctly in the comments. Number 1. I told you the truth. Te la verdad. Te dije la verdad. Dije is the first person singular form of the preterite tense of the verb decir, meaning I said or I told. Dije is an irregular verb conjugation. Te dije la verdad. Number 2. We have eaten breakfast. Hemos we say hemos desayunado. The verb desayunar means to eat breakfast. The phrase hemos desayunado is in the present perfect tense, and the present perfect tense is formed by a conjugated form of the auxiliary verb haber plus a past participle of another verb, and in this phrase it's desayunar. In this case, haber becomes hemos because it's we have, and the past participle is desayunado. Hemos desayunado. Number 3. We like to travel. Gusta viajar. It should be nos gusta viajar. The verb gustar is translated as to like, but the literal translation is to be pleasing to. Instead of saying we like to travel, we like it, we say it is pleasing to us. To us is nos gusta viajar. Number 4. It's 7:15. Son las 7:15. The answer is son las 7:15. Quarter means cuarto. Son las 7:15. Number 5. She eats lunch. Ella almuerza. Almorzar means to eat lunch. Notice that the stem of the verb changes. The O becomes UE. Ella almuerza. Number 6. They are learning Spanish. Están español. Están aprendiendo español. The present continuous or present progressive tense is formed by a conjugated form of estar plus a present participle of another verb, and in this phrase it's aprender. In this case, the conjugation of estar is están because it's they are, and the present participle is aprendiendo. Están aprendiendo español. Number 7. In 200 meters, turn left. En 200 metros, gire a la... The full sentence is en 200 metros, gire a la izquierda. Girar means to turn, and gire is the imperative mood, which is used to give commands. Gire is the form that is used for usted, you singular formal. En 200 metros, gire a la izquierda. Number 8. I will play tennis tomorrow. Mañana, al tenis. Mañana jugaré al tenis. In English, we can either say I will or I am going to. In Spanish, there are also 2 ways to form the future tense. we can either say mañana jugaré al tenis or mañana voy a jugar al tenis. But because there is only one word to fill, let's use mañana jugaré al tenis in this case.